Hello, today we will guide you through how to connect HubSpot to Microsoft Teams. To begin, open HubSpot and make sure you are on the home page. This is the starting point for accessing your account tools and settings, including the app integrations available through HubSpot. If you are not already signed in, go ahead and log in first so you can follow along without interruption. Once you are on the home screen, look toward the top area of the page for the Marketplace option. This is where HubSpot keeps its available integrations, apps, and connected tools. Taking a moment to locate the correct section here will help you move through the setup more smoothly. Next, click on HubSpot Marketplace. This will open the area where you can browse and search for apps that connect with your HubSpot account. The Marketplace is useful for finding official integrations and expanding the functionality of your workspace. So this is the right place to begin when connecting Microsoft Teams. After the Marketplace opens, go to the search bar and type in Microsoft Teams. Be sure to enter the name clearly so the correct integration appears in the results. Searching directly is usually the fastest way to find the app you need, especially if many other tools are listed in the Marketplace. When Microsoft Teams appears in the search results, click on it to open the integration page. This page will typically give you a quick overview of what the connection does, along with any permissions or features included. It is a good idea to review this page briefly so you understand what will be connected between HubSpot and Microsoft Teams. From there, click Install. Once you select the Install option, follow the on-screen procedure to complete the connection. Depending on your account setup, you may be asked to confirm permissions, choose the correct Microsoft account, or approve access so the two platforms can work together properly. Just continue through each prompt carefully until the installation is complete. After the setup finishes, your HubSpot account should be connected to Microsoft Teams. If anything does not appear right away, give the page a moment to load or refresh, and then check the integration status again. Taking your time during the prompts can help avoid setup errors and make sure the connection is successful. That's it. You've now gone through the process of connecting HubSpot to Microsoft Teams.